Okay guys, so I had this problem in which I wanted to add a gradient fill to text that I was to be able to edit. I didn't want to destroy it. I didn't want to turn it into an outline or object and expand it and all that crap that comes with it. I wanted to be able to apply a gradient fill to text that can still be changed. So the easiest way that I came across was to basically do it the way I'm going to show you here. I already created some samples of boxes with different fills that I have here. As you can see, white, gray, bluish, and gradient. So this is the gradient that I want to apply to the text that I want to be working with. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and reset my workspace to default. Reset essentials so that you have all the tools that I have here in my screen over here. So select my text tool. I'm gonna go ahead and just type something really quick here. That's the text. I want to add the gradient to it, so if I click the eyedropper tool and I click here, it's not gonna add it to the text. As you can see, that's usually the way you will want to do it, because if you click anything else that is not a gradient, it's going to automatically apply that color. As you can see that's why I have those example boxes there. If I click the gradient, it just remains black. So there's an easy workaround on that part. So the way we do it is we select the text right there, we remove the fill over here, and we remove the outline. So the text basically becomes transparent. There is no fill to it. If you go to view and you go to outline, you can see that the text is still there and it's selected. So we're gonna go back here, leave it selected, and then we're gonna go ahead and expand our tools on the right side over here, and we're gonna go to the appearance tab over here. Okay, and then we're gonna click on the small menu button and then click on add new fill, and then make sure that that is selected or highlighted, and then you can go ahead and use your eyedropper tool, and then you can click on the gradient and it adds it to that automatically. As you can see, it already has the gradient, and I can edit it to anything I want, and it still remains with the gradient, and I can go ahead and manipulate the gradient any way that I want. As you can see there you go. It's pretty simple. You don't have to fuss around with too much stuff. Just do it the way I did it. Let me do it one more time just to recap. I'm gonna go ahead and type my text here. There is normal text there without any gradient. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the fill so it's transparent. I'll expand my tools on the right, go to appearance, click on the menu, add new fill, grab my eyedropper tool and click on the gradient box sample that I had there. Now I can change my gradient from here on the right side to any color that I want, or any way that I wanna use it. There you go, and it's editable. Alright, I hope that you found this tutorial really easy to follow and is very helpful to you. If it does, please leave me a comment or a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep making more videos like this. Alright guys, bye bye.